So, good morning, Ma'am Juneth. We are Group 7 and we're going to present the 7 C's and we're going to tackle a scenario which is all about system about bus management system. So, we're going to start. So, good morning, everyone. Thanks for being on time. Let's start our meeting about our capstone project.
Yeah, so just a heads up, our deadline is next Friday, April 24th. That means we only have 5 days to finalize everything. We need to split tasks today so nobody gets overloaded last minute.
Just quick question. Have we finalized the project topic yet? I remember we had three options last week.
We did. We did so. After the vote, we're going with the bus management system. It covers route tracking, passenger count, and scheduling for local terminals.
Oh, that's actually solid. Real world problem too. What part do you want me on?
You have an eye for UI. Can you handle the design, wireframes, color scheme, and user flow for both driver and passenger side?
Sounds good. I'll drop something in Figma by Wednesday.
I can take the documentation and I will write the project backgrounds, objectives, and make sure our formatting follows the guidelines.
Well, I'll handle the coding, probably use Python with Flask for the back end and MySQL for the database. Also, I'll start with the route scheduling module first.
I'll do the research. Then I can pull the data on existing bus system in San Jose del Monte and interview a terminal dispatcher if possible. That should help member 3 and 4.
Okay, so I'll prepare the presentation slides. Do we want to include a demo video too?
If we have time, yes, but let's prioritize a working prototype first. Great teamwork so far. Please update us in the GC every 2 days so we stay aligned.
Actually, can I ask something? I'm not 100 sure what user flow for driver side should include. Is it just the dashboard?
Good question. No problem. It's more than that. It should cover login, starting a route, making it stop, marking stops, and ending the trip. I'll send you a sample after this meeting, and we can do a quick call if you need.
Perfect. Thanks. That's help.
Anything else before we wrap up or no? All right, let's move. Good luck, everyone.
I'll keep this short. The group communicated clearly and respectfully. The leader set direction, tasks were specific, and you handled member two's confusion well. Everyone left knowing their roles.
So that's it for our presentation, Ma'am Juneth. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Nijay,
Tapos na?
Nigay, Hindi pa. Meron pa daw isa. Tira.